Hey, Kevin here. I want to share with you a chord that you can substitute for your root chord or your one or the tonic, however you want to explain it. So, if I'm in the key of C, C, these are all C's, right? Here. So, if I don't want to use those voicings, I can play something like this. Wow, full chord. Now, let me explain to you exactly how that works. I'm playing a E minor 7 chord. You may not even know the name of the chord, but I'm sure that you played this shape before, right? So this is the E minor 7 chord. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sharpen the 5th degree of this chord. So I'm going to make this B a C. Now, the notes in a C major triad is C, E, and G. So what do I have in this chord? I have a C, right? I have a G, and I have an E. So now the only note that's outside of the chord is the 9 of the chord, or the 2, same thing, depending on how it's referenced. So I have a D in here. So I have that all the chords, all the elements of a C major or C chord, and that voicing right there. And you can use that anywhere in any key. Thank you so much for viewing, and I promise I'll see you next time.